Hello and welcome to this brief introduction to ARC 400. Now I'd like to show you the main features and settings step by step. First, let's take a look at the ARC 400 connection options. There are various connection ports on the reverse side of the ARC 400 which will ensure optimum networking conditions, investment security and easy servicing. They include 2 connections for foot switches, several standard ports, as well as a USB connection which can be used to load software updates. Now I'd like to show you how to operate the glass touch display. The best way to explain this is directly within the menu. To the right and left of the touch screen you will find sockets for the instruments. You can connect a total of 2 monopolar and 3 bipolar instruments. As soon as you plug in a connector, for example to this socket at the top, the plug and cut technology detects that an instrument has been plugged in and activates the appropriate selection menu for this socket. Each quadrant of the display is assigned to the appropriate socket, making device operation intuitive. Whenever the settings in a quadrant are changed, the socket for the corresponding instrument starts to flash. To change the settings, simply touch the appropriate selection field with your fingertip, here for example the power setting, and adjust the maximum power using the slide control. Or in individual steps using the plus and minus buttons. In each window you can access further information by touching the question mark button. Touching the back button returns you to the previous display. Now I would like to show you how to select the mode. A number of different modes are available for cutting or coagulation. For example, the modes available for monopolar cutting are standard, micro, dry, and indication-specific modes. Confirm your selection by touching OK. This button is used to select the effect. When changing the effect setting, a preview of the expected changes with regard to the tissue is shown. By touching the pedal icon, you can assign the pedals individually to the desired operation routine. For example, you could select pedal level A for cutting and coagulation for the top left-hand socket. Touch OK to confirm your selection. Now this socket has been assigned to pedal level A. Pedal levels A and B can be changed using the foot switches. Press the orange button to change the socket. The orange background indicates that the lower left-hand socket is activated with level B. The lower bipolar socket can be split, which means that you can connect a total of 3 bipolar instruments. Touch the switch button in the mode selection to change to coagulation. Now 3 bipolar connections are at your disposal. Switch over to the main menu by touching the Menu button. Here you can manage your programs, adjust your general system settings, and set the volume. To access the program list, simply touch the current program name. Here you can select programs and assign these to your favorites. You can access your favorites anytime using the Star button. Now you can select your favorite settings by touching the appropriate button with your fingertip. Touch the neutral electrode icon to access the menu for selecting various neutral electrode types. Among other options, this offers you a power-reduced setting for baby neutral electrodes. The quality of patient contact is shown by this monitoring bar. To obtain further current system information, press the question mark button. This is Dr. Dongle. He always ensures that you have the right settings in your pocket. Plug your own personal Dr. Dongle with your own personal settings for any ARC 400 into a bipolar socket and select the appropriate program from your own personal store. The selected program name appears in the top menu bar. You have now seen the main functions and operation modes of ARC 400. Enjoy the benefits of the intuitive operation. Thank you for your kind attention.